Hello everyone, today I have a review of another pocket knife from the Portuguese company ICEL. The first one, classic. Total length is 21 cm, blade length is 9.4 cm, blade thickness is 3 mm. The second one, more sailor style. Total length is 17.5 cm, blade length is 7.5 cm, blade thickness is 2 mm. The steel of the blade is X50 CR-MOV15. It's a German stainless steel, tempered to 56 HRC, full flat grind. On the blade the inscription ICEL, inox, Portugal. Slip joints. Opening with a nail nick. The handle scales are made of plastic in ivory and red colors. Other colors are also available, such as black, green or blue. Stainless steel bolsters. The whole thing is rifted. The larger one has an eyelet. Smaller, a key ring, like on Victorinox pocket knives. In summary, I stand by what I said before: nice, cheap and solid knives. This time these are larger pocket knives than before, available in various sizes, styles and handle scale colors, so everyone will find something for themselves. Simple, well made, with great attention to details. Everything is nicely bolted, nothing catches nor sticks out. A very good mechanics. Very high corrosion resistance. I like this type of knives. I have a big fondness for slip joints, especially from European manufacturers. That's all on this review. Thanks for watching.